Is the American dream of a single-family home with a yard becoming a reality for renters? Or is this hot new trend a sign of trouble in the housing market? Today, we will talk about something that's been all over the news: renting houses. That's right, single-family rentals. Now, renting an apartment might sound familiar, but there's a twist. We're talking about having a whole house, with a yard and maybe even a swing set, if you're into that. So, if you're tired of apartment walls or have ever dreamed of having some outdoor space, buckle up because this video is for you. Let's start with exciting news for renters: the growing single-family home market. This week, builders reported feeling more optimistic than they have in months, and data showed a jump in people starting to build new houses. Sales of existing homes are also up, and guess what? Sales of single-family homes with yards and driveways shot up over 10% in February. Have you ever wondered what all this talk means for you if you're renting? Well, let's break it down together. This video reveals a fantastic interview with Dallas Tanner, the big boss at Invitation Homes. They're not your average rental company. Instead of apartments, they rent cozy single-family homes. Plus, they're all about helping out a particular group of renters. People who dream of owning a house but need a bit more cash for that hefty down payment. They may be saving for school or pursuing their entrepreneurial dreams. Invitation Homes call this group the missing middle. The rental market has generally been on fire for the last few years. There just need to be more houses, whether you're looking to rent or buy. Experts say the country is missing somewhere between 3 and 5 million homes. This lack of supply affects everyone, but it's especially tough for people who want a house with a yard and a garage, maybe in a neighborhood with good schools. These renters often need more money for a significant down payment to buy a house, so they're stuck looking for rentals. That's where Invitation Homes comes in. They offer renters a chance to live in a house with all the benefits, like a yard and a garage, without worrying about a down payment. This has led to high occupancy rates for Invitation Homes. Almost all their houses are rented out. Renters seem happy, too, and many stay with Invitation Homes for a long time. But here's a bit of a puzzle. Even though interest rates are increasing, people will buy fewer houses, and rent prices will not decrease. This seems strange, but there's a reason for it. Borrowing money to buy a house has been easy and cheap for 10 years, which has driven up house prices. On the other hand, getting permission to build new homes in M has also gotten harder. This combination of easy money in the past and difficulty building now means house prices will likely stay high for a while, even if the economy slows down. Data on mortgages shows us an exciting trend. The price of houses people are getting mortgages for has increased by about 4–5%. However, the number of people getting mortgages has dropped by 8%. This suggests that the cost of housing has become too high for many people, especially those looking for single-family homes. With fewer houses to buy, renters are stuck competing for the available ones, keeping rental prices high. Invitation Homes has been very successful in this market. They've sold over 12,000 houses to people who wanted to buy in the last 5 years, showing how much demand there is for what they offer. They're smart about how they use their money, too. They sell some of their existing houses and use that money to buy new ones in good locations. This way, they can keep offering brand new houses to renters and make their business even stronger in the long run. So, what does this all mean for you? Well, if you're a renter dreaming of a house with a yard and a garage, there's some good news on the horizon. The single-family home market is booming, which could lead to more rental options becoming available. However, rent prices might stay high for a while due to the overall shortage of houses. Looking ahead, what you can do. Even though the market might favor renters having more options, it's always a good idea to be prepared. Here are some tips you can follow. Do your research. Stay informed about rental trends in your area. Sign up for alerts from rental listing sites or property management companies to be the first to know about new listings. Consider your budget. Rental prices might stay high, so be realistic about what you can afford and factor in additional costs like utilities and renter's insurance. Have a good credit score. Landlords often check credit scores, so maintaining a good credit history can help you secure a rental property. Be prepared to act quickly. With more competition for rentals, especially single-family homes, good options might last only briefly. Have your application materials and references ready to go. Alright, everyone, that's all the tea we have for you today on the single-family rental market. We hope this video helped you navigate the housing jungle and sparked some ideas for finding your perfect place. If you're itching for more info on renting or just curious about the housing market in general, leave a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. We love hearing from you. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome real estate content coming your way. Until next time, happy house hunting!